here with my awesome client David, and he is all the way from
Boston.
Yeah, guys, Boston. So we're going to do his hair so he can enjoy the beach and the weather and everything else. So stay tuned, guys. When you want to do a crochet needle, tighten up the base of the customer's hair, these are the 3 different needles you'll need. One will be like a larger size, one will be medium, and one will be small. So I'm going to share some tutorial how to tighten up the base with one of these needles. So first you need a comb. You grab the comb, you section the base, okay? Grab all this loose hair. Make sure you secure the locks with your hand. Twist the loose hair halfway. Grab one of your crochet needle, let it face you. The hook has to face you. Poke the hair and pull the hair from your left to your right. And when you want to crochet the base, you start pointing the crochet hook towards you. You crochet this angle. When you want to do this angle, you crochet this way. When you want to here, you turn it and then you crochet this way. You repeat this method again and again multiple times so you can get these results. Guys, if you have any questions pertaining to any type of dreadlocks services and how to do them, send me a DM and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Thank you.